लोगो बनाया, बट इतना बेसिक क्यों लग रहा है? Have you ever looked at your brand's logo and thought, यह तो कुछ स्पेशल नहीं लगता, कैसे चलेगा? If yes, you are not alone. But imagine having a logo that instantly screams success and wealth. A logo that tells the world you're serious about your business. In this video, I'll show you how to design that in just 3 simple steps. और हाँ, सब कुछ within 40 seconds. Step 1. Identify your brand personality. सबसे पहले सोचो, what does your brand stand for? Serious, playful, luxurious? Think of your logo as your brand का face. अगर पहली नज़र में ही powerful नहीं लगा, then you've lost your audience. Don't let that happen. Step 2. Choose the right colors and fonts. Now don't just go with your favorite color. Ask yourself, क्या यह color wealth और success की feeling देता है? Use fonts that match the vibe of your brand. For example, luxury के लिए bold और sleek, friendly brand के लिए rounded edges. Pick smart. Step 3. Keep it simple but memorable. अब ये मत सोचो कि ज़्यादा design elements add करना अच्छा होगा. Simple is powerful. Minimalism always gives off a rich, classy vibe. Think Apple, Nike. What's common? They're simple yet unforgettable. तुम्हारा लोगो भी वैसा ही हो सकता है. You've got the 3 steps. अब आप क्या करने वाले हो? Take action or keep scrolling. Your logo is the first thing people notice about your brand. So, what will your logo say about you? Success or struggle? Stick around for the next video because I'll show you how to test if your logo truly works in just 5 seconds.